Hello, welcome to English practice today. I am Sarah, and I am happy you are here. Today, we will learn how to talk about your day. We will use easy words. We will speak slowly. You can listen and repeat. This will help you speak English better. Let's start. Why talk about your day? Your day is real. It happens every day. You know your day very well. You don't need hard words. You don't need to talk about difficult things. You just talk about your life. You can say, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I feel happy. This is real English. This is useful English. You can use these words with other people. When you talk about your day, you think in English. You speak more easily. You feel more confident. Let me give you an example. Someone asks, "What did you do today?" You can say, I woke up at 8. I ate toast for breakfast. I went to the store. I came home and watched TV. That's a good answer. That's real conversation. You can practice alone. You can practice even if you are shy. Just ask yourself, what did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? These questions help you remember words. They help you make good English habits. Start with one sentence today. Try 2 sentences tomorrow. Tell a whole story next week. Let's learn together, step by step. Morning time. Morning is very important. It starts your day. Let's practice morning sentences together. Listen and repeat after me. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you say it. Sometimes I wake up at 6:30. Now you say it. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. I think about my day. I stretch my arms and legs. Then I get out of bed. In the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I wash my face with water. The water helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a shower. I like warm water in the morning. Getting dressed. I put on my clothes. I wear clean clothes. Sometimes I wear jeans and a shirt. If I have work, I wear nice clothes. Breakfast time. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. I drink coffee every morning. Sometimes I drink tea. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. Before I leave, I check my phone. I look at the time. I read my messages. I put things in my bag. I take my keys, phone, and wallet. I put on my shoes. I go out the door. My morning story. Now listen to my morning story. You can repeat each sentence. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up slowly. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It makes me feel awake. I take a quick shower. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen. I make toast with butter. I drink a big cup of coffee. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I look out the window. I check my phone for messages. I put everything in my bag. I put on my jacket and shoes. I open the door and start my day. Let's practice together. Every morning is different, but I try to have a good routine. When I practice English in the morning, I feel good. I am proud of myself. Afternoon time. The afternoon is the middle of the day. Many people work in the afternoon. Some people go to school. Some people stay home. You can still practice English. Even if you are busy, you can listen for 5 minutes. Let's learn afternoon sentences. After lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check my email. I read important messages first. I talk to my coworkers. Work time. I usually have meetings in the afternoon. I talk to my boss about work. If I work at home, I sit at my desk. I use my computer. I write reports. I keep my desk clean. It helps me think better. Break time. I take a break at 3 o'clock. I make tea or drink water. Sometimes I eat a snack. I like to eat fruit. I go outside for 10 minutes. Fresh air makes me feel better. If the weather is nice, I walk around. English study time. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to English podcasts. I read short stories. I watch easy English videos. I repeat sentences out loud. This helps me speak better. End of work. Before I finish work, I write notes. I write what I did today. This helps me remember. I write one new English word I learned. My afternoon story. After lunch, I go back to my desk. I check my email and make a list of things to do. I have a meeting with my team. We talk for 30 minutes. After the meeting, I take a short break. I make coffee and stand by the window. Sometimes I go outside for fresh air. When I have time, I study English. I listen to podcasts or watch videos. I pause and repeat the sentences. This is called shadowing. It helps me speak more naturally. Before I stop working, I write notes. I write how I feel today. For example, I finished my work today. I feel happy. I didn't study much today. I will try tomorrow. Your turn. Now you try. Talk about your afternoon. What do you do after lunch? Do you work or go to school? Do you stay home? Use short sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try to speak. Try these sentence starters. In the afternoon, I usually. After lunch, I. Sometimes I feel. I take a break at. Before afternoon ends, I. Evening and night. Evening is a special time. It's time to relax. It's time to think about your day. Let's learn evening sentences. Coming home. I come home at 6. I take off my shoes. I sit down and rest. I listen to music. Sometimes I watch TV. Dinner time. I cook dinner. Sometimes I order food if I'm tired. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. We share stories. After dinner. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Sometimes I go for a walk. Walking helps me relax. Before bed. Before bed, I read a book. I listen to calm music. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10:30. Your daily story. Now it's your turn to talk about your day. Think about, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you work or study? What do you do in the afternoon? What does your evening look like? What do you do before bed? You can talk about today, or you can talk about a normal day. Start simple. Use easy words. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just try to speak. Great work. You did great today. You listened to a full daily routine. You learned new words. You practiced sentences. Most important, you tried to speak English. This is real progress. You are not just studying English. You are using English. You are living in English. Keep practicing every day. Come back to this lesson often. Listen again, repeat again. Each time, add more to your story. This is Easy English Today. I'm Sarah, and I'm proud of you. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. See you next time.